Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Fisher-Price battery 12-volt is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your child's favorite ride-on toys powered up and ready for adventure, ensuring countless hours of imaginative play and outdoor fun without interruption. This powerful battery is designed to provide reliable and long-lasting energy, making it a crucial investment for parents who want to maximize the enjoyment their children get from their battery-powered vehicles, from speedy sports cars to rugged ATVs, all while maintaining the safety and performance standards expected from a trusted brand like Fisher-Price. Number 5. Schumacher Electric TB412V Ride-on Toy Battery. Introducing the Schumacher Electric TB412V battery, the perfect replacement for your child's ride-on toys. Give them more time to play with a reliable power source. Designed to work with popular 12V Peg Perigo and Power Wheels vehicles, this battery ensures a perfect fit. Get them back on the road in no time. Our Quick Connect harness makes installation a breeze. Simply connect it in seconds and watch the ride-on toy come back to life. Recharge quickly with the Schumacher Charge N-Ride Charger. A built-in replaceable fuse provides extra protection for safer operation and charging. Keep the fun going longer by replacing old batteries with our premium product. Having an extra on hand means less downtime for your little one's favorite ride. Your purchase includes the Schumacher Electric Charge N-Ride TB412V battery and its user manual. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This battery offers a quick connect harness for easy installation. It also features a replaceable fuse for added safety. If you have a Peg Perigo ride-on toy and are looking for a user-friendly and safe replacement battery, this is a great option. What people say. The battery is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It holds a charge for a long time, allowing for extended playtime. The battery charges quickly, so the kids don't have to wait long to play again. Number 4. Lumenivo Replacement 12V Power Wheels Battery. Is your child's favorite ride-on toy losing power? It's time for an upgrade with our reliable replacement battery. This battery is designed as an ideal replacement for your gray 12-volt Power Wheels battery. Please note, it is not compatible with orange-top batteries. Your child's safety is our priority. Our battery includes a replaceable fuse for added protection and your peace of mind. Enjoy uninterrupted playtime. This battery is engineered for a perfect connection with your Power Wheels vehicle and charger. Get back to adventure with a battery built to last. It provides the power needed for endless fun. Replacing the battery is simple and straightforward. Get your Power Wheels running like new in no time. What we like. This replacement battery is designed to perfectly connect with your Power Wheels vehicle and charger. It comes with a safety feature of an attached replaceable fuse for peace of mind. If your Power Wheels uses a gray 12-volt battery and you need a direct, safe replacement, this is the one to consider. What people say. As long as you get the right parts and wire them correctly, the battery worked wonderfully and so powerful for such a compact box. It is compatible with the Fisher-Price Power Wheels Dune Racer. The battery life is about as good as the other more expensive one. Number 3. Power Wheels JoJo Siwa Jeep Wrangler. Get ready for adventure with this dazzling ride-on vehicle. It's designed with vibrant JoJo Siwa DRAM graphics and colors that any fan will love. This ride-on looks just like a real Jeep Wrangler, complete with a pretend radio that plays fun driving sounds. It's perfect for imaginative play. It can handle both hard surfaces and grass, reaching a safe speed of up to 5 miles per hour forward. Plus, it has power-lock brakes for added safety. Parents can rest easy knowing it has a high-speed lockout feature controlled by them. Safety is always the top priority. This ride-on is designed for kids ages 3 to 7 years. It can comfortably seat 2 passengers and supports a maximum weight of 130 pounds. What we like. This ride-on vehicle features fun JoJo Siwa graphics and realistic Jeep Wrangler styling. It can drive on both hard surfaces and grass, offering versatile play. If you have a young fan of JoJo Siwa who loves Jeeps and wants a ride-on that can handle different terrains, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The battery life was 4 or 5 hours with a couple kids going non-stop. It's a very good Jeep. I bought it for my 6 years old. She is 3 feet 7 inches and she has plenty of room. Her and my 1-year-old play in it all day, so if you have bigger kids don't worry, there is plenty of room. Fisher-Price Power Wheels JoJo Siwa goes up to 5 miles per hour in forward and 2.5 backwards. It drives well even in the grass. I was impressed. Number 2. Fisher-Price Power Wheels 12V Replacement Battery. Is your child's Power Wheels 12-volt ride-on toy losing its charge? Get them back on the road with this high-quality replacement battery. This battery is designed for a perfect fit with all gray top 12-volt Power Wheels vehicles and chargers. You can trust it will connect seamlessly. Enjoy the same reliable 12V 9.5 Ah performance as the original Fisher-Price battery. It's a cost-effective way to keep the fun going. Featuring a replaceable 30-amp fuse and an internal, self-resetting fuse, safety is paramount. An instruction booklet with important safety information is also included. This SLA battery is built for durability and long-lasting power. Its compact dimensions ensure it fits just right for uninterrupted playtime. Simply connect it to your vehicle and charger, and you're ready to go. Refer to the provided instruction card for guidance. What we like. This battery is 100% compatible with all Power Wheels 12-volt vehicles using the gray battery. It has the same specifications as the original Fisher-Price battery and includes a connector with a replaceable fuse. If you're looking for a direct, reliable replacement that matches original specs and offers enhanced safety, this is a solid pick. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for the ride-on toy. It holds a charge for a long time, allowing for extended playtime. The battery charges quickly, so the kids don't have to wait long to play again. Number 1. Power Wheels 12-volt Rechargeable Battery. Introducing the Power Wheels 12-volt Rechargeable Battery. It's designed to meet the highest standards for optimal performance. This battery is engineered to deliver the best possible performance for your Power Wheels vehicle. It is exclusively compatible with Fisher-Price Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicles featuring a Type 12V battery system. For added safety, it includes an internal, self-resetting fuse. And it arrives in frustration-free packaging, making it easy to get started right away. What we like. This battery is designed to meet rigorous Power Wheels requirements for optimal performance. It includes an internal, self-resetting fuse for safety and is compatible with Fisher-Price Power Wheels Advanced Series vehicles. If you have an Advanced Series Power Wheels and want a battery that's guaranteed to perform to the brand standards, this is your best bet. What people say. The battery is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. It holds a charge for a long time, providing extended playtime for the kids. The battery was easy to install and fit seamlessly into the ride-on toy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.